Employment is in crisis in Latin America, now and in the foreseeable future. Latin America has had several economic and social crises in recent years. Looking at the data for this crisis, we found that when it comes to jobs, the idea of economic recovery has often been a myth. In this report, we follow workers and firms for 20 years in Brazil, Chile, and Mexico. We found that the average recession wipes out 3% of all formal jobs, and this happens in a durable way. In fact, most of the recovery is done through informal employment, and the region ends up with fewer and worse jobs. The COVID recession is much worse than the average recession, and the lasting effects on formal employment are higher and could reach 4%. This is particularly alarming because it represents lower long-run growth rates for the region. These aggregate effects impact differently workers, skilled versus unskilled, firms, protected versus exposed to competition, regions dynamic versus lagging, and governments also try to respond differently. So at the end, who suffers the most in this crisis, and does it have to be like this?